Howdy. So it's donut day. Well, or at least it was a few weeks ago. And you want your donut, right? But how am I gonna fit that within my macros? What if we try a protein donut? When I say try it, I mean we're gonna try it. A protein donut though, that sounds difficult. Well, guess what? This is easy macros, where all macros are met easily, no matter what your craving is. So let's give it a shot. First step, as always, is to wash your hands. Bath & Body Works Kitchen Lemon, recommend it. Okay, for our donut batter, we're gonna start with the dry ingredients. Coconut flour. We're gonna do 2 tablespoons, which is equal to 15 grams. Now we're gonna do a 1/4 teaspoon baking powder. We're gonna use a brown sugar substitute, Swerve, to keep the carbs low. We're gonna do 2 tablespoons of that. 2 tablespoons should equal 24 grams. Okay, let's add some salt. Not too much. All right, we're gonna try to do about a tablespoon of Greek yogurt. Let's find out. 14. There we go. 1 large egg. We're gonna do a 1.5 tablespoons of milk. Should equal around 30 milliliters. Let's stir that up. Okay, now I know you probably have a question. Where's the protein? Well, we're gonna do it a little bit different. We are actually gonna throw a twist in here and make 2 donuts. So we're gonna split the batter. So let's tear the scale and half it. We're gonna weigh it all first. All right, so when it's weighed out, it's about 135 milliliters. Some quick math tells me it's about what? 68. Okay, that wasn't quick math at all. Now we're gonna pour about half in. Two batters, 2 donuts. Okay, our first donut is gonna be a vanilla iced donut. So to do this, we're gonna do about 1/2 of a scoop of vanilla protein. Any protein's fine. This is Giant's brand. You can do like a different one. For a little extra flavor, we're gonna do about 1/2 tablespoon of ground cinnamon and a splash of vanilla extract. Okay, just like for the vanilla, this one is gonna be 1/2 scoop of chocolate protein. And this is the gold standard optimum nutrition. Haven't had it in a while, but it's very recommended. And for some extra chocolate flavor, we're just gonna do some raw cocoa. I'm gonna go for about a teaspoon, which is 2 half teaspoons. And we're gonna start making our icings. We're gonna start with a 1/2 tablespoon of milk, which is also about 7 milliliters. Pour a little bit back. Now we're gonna use a confectioner sugar substitute for replacement. We're gonna do 1 tablespoon. This is a tiny drop of almond extract. Okay, you can see here, it's pretty good for a glaze. Put that aside. Now another shot glass for our icing. We're gonna start off the same way with just a 1/2 tablespoon of milk. Now we're gonna do 2 tablespoons of the confectioner's substitute. Tiny drop. And a 1/4 teaspoon of light corn syrup. It's just a quarter teaspoon, it won't kill you. Okay, now this one will be a lot thicker than the other one. Okay, so like most of our recipes on Easy Macros, we are going to make this in the microwave. Let's get a microwave-safe bowl. We're going to put the thicker icing in the middle, like that. The one that we just made. I'm going to get a cooking spray. Let's go ahead and pour our vanilla batter in. Alright, let's put it in the microwave. Okay, as you can see here, there's no donut setting, so we're gonna try 60 seconds or a minute. As you wait, I ask you to think about the next selection. There's a lot at stake. Okay, let's see what happens. Right in the big reveal, there's our donut hole. Moment of truth, put it on our serving dish. Alright, let's see what it looks like. Okay, looks like a protein donut. And as we wait for that to cool, we're gonna do the same thing with our chocolate donut. Pour in the batter. Alright, now let's put it in the microwave. Okay, and unlike the vanilla, we don't need this to cool. We actually want to put the glaze on right away. There you have your chocolate glazed. Alright, we have our chocolate glaze. We have to finish icing our vanilla donut. To make it a little bit more fun, I'm actually going to put some pink dye in. You can put whatever you want in. Alright, let's ice it. Some sprinkles for fun. And there you have your protein donuts from the microwave. Okay, so now we know how they look, which I think is pretty good for a microwave donut, like a lot better than I anticipated. But the real test is how they taste. Okay, let's start with the vanilla ice one. That was really impressive. I'm pretty proud of myself. Now let's try the chocolate. So both of these donuts are really good. Who knew that you could make a donut in the microwave? I mean, I didn't until I just tried it. That's the kind of magic we do here at Easy Macros. I think it's time to brew some coffee.